What happens when you hook an O1 memory scanning automation engine to a Roblox game? Well, you get pixel-perfect reaction times. Today, I'm going to show you how I built a red light green light bot using my brand new program, Macro Studio. Macro Studio isn't just a code executor, it has a visual front end. Here, I'm using the Variables tab to lock in that exact screen coordinate of the game's interface and capturing the specific green color we are looking for. No hard-coding colors or coordinates, but hey, no one's stopping you if you want to. Under the hood, this script runs two concurrent tasks. The color scanner, which is a basic generator task, and it checks that specific pixel hundreds of times a second using the variables we defined. If it sees the scan color, it flips the boolean, color similar. The RLGL player watches that boolean. If it's true, we use the context manager's hold key method to hold the W key while the colors are similar. We use the context manager to ensure we release the key if the engine stops or if the colors are no longer similar. Notice this yield statement right here. Macro Studio already does the heavy lifting under the hood to keep your PC running smoothly, but the yield is what gives you absolute control. Instead of trapping the script in a block thread, yielding briefly hands execution back to the main engine. This creates a tiny millisecond window for the controller to instantly catch a stop command or a pause interruption. It's cooperative multitasking, giving you a lightning-fast bot that still stops on the dime the exact second you tell it to. And just like that, an effortless win. But here's the best part. Because Macro Studio just runs pure Python, you aren't trapped in some limited proprietary scripting language. You have the entire Python ecosystem at your fingertips. Sure, today it's just reading a green pixel on Roblox, but tomorrow, you could hook it up to the OpenAI API so your bot automatically analyzes the game chat and generates Shakespearean trash talk every time it wins. You could ping a weather API to automatically pause your game and lock your desktop if it's sunny outside. You could even hook it up to your smart home devices to trigger a red siren in your bedroom every time you take damage. The possibilities are literally infinite. And that's exactly why I built it. I was tired of relying on slow, sketchy, or expensive closed-source automation tools. I wanted an engine that actually respected Python's capabilities, so I built it myself, and I'm making it 100% free and open source for everyone. With that being said, if you want to build high-performance macros like this one without fighting standard Python threading, check out the Macro Studio repository in the description. Drop a star, build something ridiculous, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.